It's a crazy way to start the first trial. Here we go inside. We're gonna stay in Rocky Mountain National Park. All right, we're at the top of, this is going towards Bear Lake. Didn't realize we were gonna hit this much snow, but we're gonna get ourselves dressed appropriately for our hike. We got some crampons and some better winter clothing. This takes about 30 seconds. All right, we're all geared up, winter clothing and crampons. Throwing the chair, or excuse me, the steps in. It's a crazy way to start the first trial with the new truck, but we're gonna break it in. You're gonna break it in, you gotta do it the right way. All right, guys, we're just starting to set up. We just popped the top. We're gonna stay in Rocky Mountain National Park. Actually, amazingly, there's a couple other campers out here. We're not the only maniacs. You can see across the stream here. I think that's outside the park. It's Estes, the town of Estes, or some sections that when you head in from downtown into one of the side entrances here. I think this is the north entrance. We are finally done. Had a fantastic meal inside the camper. My wife did a great job. It's about 31 degrees, 30 degrees here. We're at the campsite. The stars are out, still flurrying a little bit. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour of the inside. Everyone's been asking. I'm not going to do a full tour here. We'll just go over, you just get a quick little peek, and we'll go over everything on another day when the sun is out. Look here, outside outlet. Got my Starlink going. The cable is running out over here, and it's out You know, this thing's got a 50-foot cord. There it is right there, pointing up at the sky. We got ourselves some internet. All right, let's take a quick peek. Here's the nice collapsible stairs, small little door. Here we go inside. All right, here's the moment you've all been waiting for. There's my lovely wife, Louise. Here's our bed. You have to sleep left to right or right to left, not front to back. The little dinette. Here, let me pan back a little bit further. The kitchen, the refrigerator, the heater. Again, this thing has an inverter going. We have everything. We may even do a few upgrades, but for now, this is what she looks like. This insulation has been perfect. We're super warm in here. This heater's been barely on since we got here. Anyway, please continue to follow along. We have lots more to show. I'm going on a big ski trip. We'll definitely go see another SpaceX launch. And what else are we doing? I don't know. We'll be traveling the country, showing you everything that this thing can do and the capabilities. But for now, if you want to learn more, if you're interested in this little setup here, you can go to CyberTruck01.com. You can go to X, you can go to YouTube, and then there we're CyberTruck, O-N-E spelled out. Anyway, till next time, thanks for following along. See ya.